Working with large data in Excel, scrolling down and losing track of headers is frustrating. That's where the Freeze Panes feature comes in. Let me show you how it works. Open Freeze Panes options. Go to the View tab and click on Freeze Panes. You'll see three main options. Option 1. Freeze Top Row. Click Freeze Top Row to keep the very first row always visible as you scroll down. Option 2. Freeze First Column. Click Freeze First Column to lock the first column so it stays in view while you scroll sideways. Option 3. Freeze both rows and columns. If you want to freeze both at once, simply choose Freeze Panes. It locks both the top row and the first column together. Split option. Next to Freeze Panes, there's also a Split option. This allows you to freeze multiple rows and columns of your choice. Just select the cell where you want the split, and Excel will freeze everything above and to the left of it. And that's how you use Freeze Panes to keep your data organized and easy to read in Excel. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.